Welcome friends. After taking the reference from a sample Revit project, in this tutorial we will be adding floors and ceiling to our model. What we have to do is go to Architecture tab, select Floor. As you select Floor, you'll find out the Modify and Create Floor boundary. From here, select this Pick Wall. When you select this Pick Walls tool, you can actually pick walls. Now you can see I have picked this particular wall, and you can switch back to outside or inside edges. We want interiors, so we'll let it be. Now remember, you select the inside boundaries. Select all the boundaries of your building. That is done. Now click on this Finish Edit mode. And now we have added floor to our project. To confirm that, go to the 3D view, and now you can see the floor is there. This was the floor which wasn't present earlier that we have just added.